Good morning. It is July 6th. It's a Monday. It's 8:50 in the morning. And I decided kind of last minute just to go to Troy. When I was walking the dog this morning, the grass was pretty wet. And I don't know. I was just like a little worried about, I know it's going to get hot again, and I don't know, I just decided, let's just go to Troy. It's super late. Should have went early. I didn't. So this may be an out and back. I don't know. But either A, it's going to be super crowded because it was a holiday, and that's not when you go to DMV after a holiday, or everybody reads that and thinks, oh, it's going to be crowded, we're not going to go. So we're going to test the waters and see if in fact it is super crowded or not. Hopefully not, but I'd like to get this over with, but I'm not feeling really hopeful about it, to be honest. So we're gonna drive, and there's absolutely nowhere to park. We've got 2 handicap spots, stuff reserved for staff. So I don't know, and I don't really know where can I pull on the street in the grass. I don't really know. It doesn't have a sign saying I can't, but I'm just kind of stopped in a no parking area at the moment. So we'll see. Somebody leaves soon. If they do, I'll have a spot. Alright, well, it's 9:34. I got checked in. Looks like there's 11 people waiting in front of me, and we'll see how this goes. But yeah, it's just like the most stressful thing ever, DMVs. I don't know, I guess it's why people make jokes about it, because it's just comical, but it's all right. I mean, I'm not really complaining. It's because it's so late, and it's not that bad. So could have been a lot worse. So anyway, we're gonna wait. All right, success. 11:37. Got my license. I think I waited, oh, sorry, I don't know how long. It was like maybe 80 something minutes, 90 minutes, 94 minutes, I don't know. It was a long time. But you know what? I got it done, and I knew going into this there was going to be a wait. I just knew it was going to be. There was no way around it. So I don't really get mad. I don't really get frustrated. I don't really, it doesn't matter. I just kind of just deal with it. I'm trying to film something. Maybe I'm going to wait till the car cools off, because it's just like super Turbineville in here. Okay, well, it's 11:45. Figured since I was in Troy, maybe I should come out here and check out the progress, construction update, if you will, on the mini ramp. So this is the park area. There's a ball field there, and over there, and a little park for kids to play at, little batting area. And here's the progress. Here's the skate park. And here's the progress on the mini ramp, which is not very far. But they had all the wood out here, and got some fence here. Yeah, I don't know what the holdup is on this thing. grass growing through it. I'm not sure what he's doing. I think there's going to be another section coming off to the side or something, maybe. I can't remember exactly, but there's their wood pile, which I guess they got a lot of it stolen, which does not surprise me. It's out here for a minute. But I mean, it looks to be built pretty well, but you got some bows here, like right there in that piece. And one over there looks a little hinky. But yeah, it's yeah, I don't know. That curves back right there. I think the biggest problem they've got is it's just taking a very long time to build this thing. It's like really the only thing left is the decks and layers really in the coping. Not really sure what the holdup is, but kind of show you the little skate park. Oh no, not my face. Okay, so yeah, so I waited like, I don't know, maybe hour and a half more, something like that. Not that big a deal. This is the pump track here. Goes around. I don't much like the pump track, to be honest. But I don't like much of anything that's concrete because it hurts. I'll give you a little layout here. You've got some quarter pipes up there, some boxes, some rails. Not sure what this thing is. Now that quarter pipe right there is actually really good. But the biggest design flaw that I see with this thing is it's all downhill. So you can't make a line, really. Alright, so we're walking on the pump track right now. It's alright. I don't love it. It's a little challenging for me. Of course, a lot of things are. Goes around that way. Got some bleachers. I mean, this is a really cool place. It's a shame. But like, yeah, this stuff right here. This is what I'm talking about. Like, oh, Gimby. Like that transition right there is actually really good, but you gotta push like crazy from right there to hit that. I don't know what on earth that is. But anyway, this is what she looks like. So it's hot out here. So we're gonna go get some, I think I'm gonna stop and get a piece of pizza. God, it smells like weed out here. Oof, goodness gracious. But I think, I'll give you a little thing. You got the street skate park. And it is warm out here. That's big old granite here. I guess if you want to ollie it, I don't know. It's potentially really cool. Look at all the wax that's melted on that. Wow, that's crazy. Huh. Interesting. But yeah, this has been skate time. Yeah, I have no idea what's taking so long on that. That's crazy. I guess it's government stuff, maybe, you know, to where it's like, I don't know. Well, we're gonna eat. Well, that was a bust. I guess it's closed for remodeling or something. There was a guy out there saying something about that. That'll be open in 3 weeks. So we're gonna hunt for some more food somewhere else. Alright, well, update time. It's about 2:55, and I'm going to check something else off my list. As you know, we're part of the North Carolina Wildlife Federation, the URA chapter. the wildlife stewards. They're
At
trying
the next
to
stop sign, turn left.
They're trying to come up with some fundraising ideas and whatnot to kind of help them out. So I thought an idea is like, maybe if I go buy a kayak and then we can hold like a raffle.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Ridge Street.
And we can, when we do the ball game thing, we can sell tickets or raffle tickets at the ball game, and then we'll give it away, announce the winner at our inauguration thing at Mar Mountain, and we'll do like a must be present to win kind of deal. So that way,
In 3/4 of a mile, at the roundabout, turn right onto Northeast Connector.
that way we might could drum up some business for that too, or some attendance for that as well. So I'm just decided today I'm gonna drive, since it's so hot and I don't want to go work in the heat, which I do, but I'm to refrain from doing that. I'm just gonna go buy a kayak. So we're going to Academy Sports in Kannapolis, and we're gonna see about buying us a kayak, which means I gotta buy a rack, which is fine.
At the roundabout, turn right onto Northeast Connector.
I'm sure at some point we will have kayaks, so I think I'll get some use out of it. Plus it's like $70 for the rack, so we won't give that away though. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. Alright, so didn't record none of that. Do it again. I'm coming back. One extra large passenger. 10-foot long bad boy. I was going to I bought a rack and I was like, okay, I'll just use a rack. That makes sense. Rack wasn't that much.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
But the problem is, you gotta have tools to put the rack together. I ain't got no tools.
Turn left onto Duffer Lane.
It don't come with tools.
At the stop sign, turn
Oh my
left
God.
onto Coldwater Ridge
I
Drive.
get it. Thank you. But yeah, I just was like, do y'all sell tools? And they were just like, no. And I was like, awesome. So couldn't use the rack. And I was like, I'm not sure what we're going to do here. And I just laid the seats down, and it like barely fits. Like the tailgate don't want to shut. It was like, nope, there's something in the way. I'm like, this is not in the way. Trust me. And I just kind of pushed on it and it locked.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Roxy Street.
I know.
Then take the first left onto Concord Lake Road.
So we got it. $500 something later. It should be a pretty good raffle, I would think. So I'm gonna drive now because I can't see out my right mirror at all. Okay, made it home safe and sound. Got to apologize to the Malone because it came with tools. So I could have put it together and just use this rack for the way home. But you know what? I got it home. It fit in here. I don't really care. But yeah, the people working there, because I asked them, you know, I was like, does it come with tools? Do you have tools? And they're like, no, we can't help you load it. And they're like, you just want to leave it and come back? And I'm like, no, it's daggum an hour away. I'm taking this joker now. And they're like, all right, well, there's a doorbell if you need us. And they shut the door on me. And I was like, oh, that's super helpful. But it came with the tools. Didn't know it came with the tools. Kind of asked them if it did, and they didn't. They don't know. But yeah, this thing was $5.99. Can you really stick it to my receipt? Okay, $5.99. But I got it for $3.99. So I'm not mad about that. That's a good deal, I think. Maybe it's only a $400 kayak. I don't know. Not really a big kayak dude. But now I have a rack, so I can be. So anyway, I think I have earned me some tacos. So today we have gotten my motorcycle license, which was kind of a big deal, and went and got the kayak for the Wildlife Federation. So I feel pretty accomplished for that. So I think I don't really know how we're going to do it. I would say if it were to me, I would suggest for them to either sell raffle tickets for $5 a piece or $10 a piece, and then maybe make it to where you have to be present to win, or somebody who of age has to be present to win, at least one person, and that might generate some people coming to the chartering ceremony at Morrow Mountain in September. So that's when we're going to give it away. Like, I'm not going to let you pay $5 and then just meet me whenever to get a kayak. It's going to be at the charter signing. If you want it, take it to home. If you can't take it home, then what goes home with me, I reckon. But I don't know. I think that'll work. So I don't know if we get anything else today. I mean, it's a pretty full day. I didn't really do a lot, but it feels like I did. Drove a lot. So I think it's time to get some food. All right, well, it's 6:06. And I'm going to go get some tacos because I have earned them, I think. I'm going to let my Jeep get regulated. I'll see what the temperature is according to the Jeep. It's saying it's 88 out, which is not right. I'm rocking out in every car I'm in, like rock out time. Let's see. That's still saying 88. It's hot. It's hot, kids. I don't know. I haven't seen it like this in a while. Like, I mean, we've had heat waves, but like it just, maybe with the humidity or something. I don't know. Everybody says, well, you're just getting old. Well, maybe that, I'm sure that's the case, but be that as it may, it's not normal. We need 20 inches of rain this month to get out of the drought. 20 inches. So I don't know if that's going to happen. Actually, I know it's not going to happen. So we're going to eat some tacos, and I'm not sure what I'll get into tonight. I'm just kind of, we'll see how the temperature feels when I get done eating. Because, you know, I'm trying to, like, well, I wonder if I could do this. I wonder if I could do that. But there was a guy across the street was mowing. And I was like, you're nuts. There's no way I'd mow in this right here. But I don't know. I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, taco time. Alright, well, we got a very small amount done. Not much. Not even really enough to show just yet. But storms are coming. Grandma's worried about me being out there, so she scared me to death because she came out there and was standing beside the skid steer. But anyways, got some done. So we'll call it a win. Better than getting none done. But now I think I want to have a beer. So we're going to do that. And I don't know if I said this at the beginning. It is not July 5th, it's July 6th. I'm not sure what I said. But if I said 5th, I meant 6th. Because it's Monday and Blackie wants to go inside. Thanks for watching. Did not die of heat exhaustion. I have a little cooler. I'm a little speaky. So I didn't use either of them because we didn't really get a chance to go. But anyway, alright then. Bye.